Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is butternut squash soup. Okay? First thing what we're gonna do, I've got a butternut squash in here. We're gonna peel it. Then we are going to take the top and the bottom out. We will cut it by half and again by half. So we will take the seeds out. Do your best to use a peeler when you come to do the butternut squash, as if you use a knife you will waste a lot. Okay? We will peel as much as we can here and in there. So always keep a small container for the peelings. So now we're going to take the bottom out in there and the top there. Now going to cut the butternut squash by half and by half again, and we are going to scrape the seeds out into our container here. Then we were going to cut the butternut squash into chunks, chunky pieces, and we put it into this container until we have the rest of the ingredients cut. And then we're going to cook it, give it a nice color, and we finish it on the stove. Now we're going to cut the butternut squash into chunky pieces, as you can see, not too big, not too small, and into this container. Then again by half and into nice chunky pieces. There you go. So now I've got a medium onion. We're going to peel it. And again, we will cut this into chunky pieces as well. There you go. So just roughly cut, very easy. And that's the onion. Now I've got the garlic cloves, which we always keep peeled in the kitchen in an oil, and I can add 3 or 4, even 5, 6 is alright. Garlic is very healthy. So that's the garlic. So now what we're going to do, I've got a pot here We are going to turn that on a high heat. Okay? Turn the hob on, and we will add some oil in there. So by the time the oil is heating up, I've got this red pepper. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces like that. I do my best not to waste. Alright? So, and then, believe it or not, this pepper is going to make huge difference for the taste as well. I'm going to cut that chunky pieces in there, and we are going to put it in there. Now, look, we can drop everything there nicely. And we are going to cook that for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add a bay leaf as well. For the bay leaf, I always cut like that, 1 or 2, so it will release all the taste in there. Okay? Now, I've got 1 medium potato. We're going to peel it. Then we cut it into chunky pieces and we add this with the soup. This potato is going to give us that nice, rich thickness of the soup. It will act as a binding agent, like corn flour, for example, you know. We're going to cut this into chunky pieces and we're going to drop it in there. Now we're going to give a nice, good kind of cook in there, about 8 minutes. Then what we're going to do, we will add the water, the bouquet garni, and we bring it to the boil, and we let the soup simmer gently for about 30 minutes. And then we can continue after 30 minutes with the rest of the ingredients, which we're going to add the milk, the vegetables, and the nutmeg. So remember, guys, for the ingredients, you can always look below this video, and also you can always log on to our website robandjace.com. There you can find more recipes from soups, pasta, fish, meats as well, and a lot more information about us, and as well some menu planning with weekly shopping too. So we do our best to facilitate your life as well. And like you can see, to come in the kitchen, you don't need any skills to prepare a nice recipe. You do not need any out of this world skills. Nice, plain, simple, good food. And please do share our work, so we encourage more families to come in the kitchen. Thank you for that. So now, after around 8 to 10 minutes, we're gonna add the water to cover the vegetables. There. And I'm gonna add some vegetable cubes in there. And I'm gonna drop in a bouquet garni. Bouquet garni is a tea bag full of herbs. Rosemary, thyme, all kind of herbs. And I'm gonna drop it in there. So now, when it comes to water, from my experience, I find out that if you add cold water, I mean cold, room temperature, whatever water, the soup will come much tastier. And instead of hot water, that is from my experience. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring the water, the soup to the boil, then we're gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes. So now, after 35 minutes, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the heat up, back again. We're gonna add some milk, in there, and we're gonna add a pinch of nutmeg in there. Okay? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring it back to the boil. We're gonna bring it back to the boil, then we're gonna switch it off, take the bouquet garni and the bay leaf out, we blitz it, and we can serve the soup. So now we can remove the bay leaf and the bouquet garni as well, which I need to find. There it is. So the bay leaf and the bouquet garni out, and it's boiling now. We can turn it off, and we are going to give it a good blitz with the blender. Now I can give it a good seasoning. Gonna give it last blitz, and we can serve. Beautiful, look at that, lovely. There you go, and we can serve beautiful butternut squash soup. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.